back to the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing Natural Divinity's hair care products. I am thankful that they have sent me a few of their products to sample. Here I have the Leafy Greens Therapeutic Conditioner, the Leafy Greens Therapeutic Shampoo, and an oil that is included in their therapeutic set. I will provide more information about these products throughout the video, so stay tuned. Here I am just drenching my hair with water. I have low porosity hair, which means my hair doesn't easily accept moisture. I'm also planning to trim my hair, so if you guys would like to see me trim my hair for the first time, please comment down below. I turned around so you guys can see the back of my hair. Here I am going in with the Leafy Greens Therapeutic Shampoo made with organic hemp and black seed oil. Organic hemp seed oil stimulates hair growth and black seed oil contributes to scalp health. The scent is refreshing and defines my curls. Now I am rinsing the shampoo out. This shampoo rinses out easily and leaves my hair shiny. Now I am going to use the Leafy Greens Therapeutic Conditioner. The conditioner is coconut milk based and contains chibi. Chibi is used to help with length retention. The conditioner is much thicker. To twist my hair. I'm going to use their oil right here and basically retwist my parts. So let me see how to open this. Ooh, okay, so this is how the applicator part looks like. Well, I mean, if you could see that good, I don't know if you could see that. But I'm gonna apply it to this section right here. Oh yeah, okay, it's coming out. I was like, is something even coming out? Smells good. I can really smell the mango. And I'm gonna start twisting from here. I do need a trim. The oil contains sunflower, argan, avocado, and has mango oil. And now to this. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you to Natural Divinity for providing me with these lovely products. I recommend the products I've used in this video. I love the shampoo, and the oil smells amazing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos from me. Bye, guys.